Hey guys, Merry Christmas. Okay, so I know I look busted. I just woke up, just got baby girl something to eat. But just Merry Christmas to everyone out there. Happy holidays to everyone out there. Happy New Year. Pretty soon, coming soon. I hope everyone, is blessed and got all the things they wanted. They're surrounded by beautiful people that uplift them during this holiday season. But it doesn't feel like the holidays, but once you have kids, it ain't about you, sweetheart, so don't you even worry about it. But here is a picture. Well, not a picture. What am I talking about? Here is my tree. And actually, nope. You see, I don't really have a camera, guys. That, yeah. Y'all see that? That's Sienna's stocking. We don't have stockings because we just don't, okay? We just don't have stockings. Me and, my significant other, we just don't have stockings this year. But this is the tree. I love my tree this year, you guys. Love my tree. And then these are all the presents. Majority of these presents are Sienna. So she has definitely been blessed by mommy and daddy and Santa. Okay, so yeah, I love my tree. I was supposed to have a theme this year, but it was so many things going on towards the end. I'm actually just coming back from my little family trip, celebrating my cousin's baby, and like my cousin's engaged, so congratulations to my cousin. She knows who she is. It's just so many things going on. The most I did to decorate everything else in here was put the streamer right there. That's all you can see. But whatever, get them next time. I'm supposed to be cooking. I'm gonna have to go to the freaking supermarket. I'm trying to get the lighting right, y'all. There we go. That's better lighting, right? There we go. So, and now I gotta go to the freaking supermarket. Christmas, mind you. And it's pretty gloomy out there. It's ghetto out there. It's real ghetto. I look mad crusty. Oh my god. Anyway, but so me and Sienna, we're gonna go to Key Food to get some dinner to cook tonight. I can't believe I'm cooking Christmas dinner this year again. Not again. I don't even know if I did it last year. I just haven't been in the cooking mood. But what I'm thinking of making, you guys, I'm thinking of making like barbecue ribs, some rice, or some yams, like something simple. Like I'm not trying to do too much, like, you know what I'm saying? Like I really don't want to do too much. I'm just more focused on drinking wine. I'm more so focused on drinking wine tonight.
Baby, what's in there wine? I feel sexy as fuck. I see why y'all like wine.
And then, plus I gotta clean this apartment. So it's gonna be an eventful day. And then plus I wanna film like I'm gonna film a video today, so it's gonna be pretty eventful. But anyway, just keep on watching. But before I go to the store, y'all, we're gonna do a 30-minute intermission because I'm lazy. I'm so lazy that I don't even want to go out there. And I'm crusty as hell. But I'm pretty, that, like, you know, don't try to play me, but 30-minute intermission. We dressed in Christmas spirit, y'all. This is our shoes. Glitter, glitter, glitter. I'm trying to find ribs, y'all. Where the fuck is the ribs at? Let's see. Short ribs. Oh, I see the ribs. Oops, sorry. Here go the ribs. How much these ribs is? $10. Oh, bitch. Which one should I get, y'all? Y'all, so far we got sea salt. We didn't get no chicken. We got lemon pepper, some ribs, and a thing of water. Now we gotta move on to some juice. I'm making some sweet potatoes because they're not yams, but yeah, just gonna let that boil for a long time. So okay, now it's time to put the ribs in the oven. I don't remember how long I had it marinated for. I believe I had it marinated for a good maybe hour and 30 minutes or so. Hour and 30 minutes or hour 45. I honestly forgot, guys, because I'm doing so many other stuff in the house. But I am about to put it in the oven. Ooh. And I put the oven on 350. So I don't have the peppers and stuff in here because I want the meat to cook like thoroughly throughout before I like add the peppers and stuff. And then like once I add the peppers and it cooks down a bit more, then I'm gonna add the sauce. So you guys are gonna see how everything looks. And these are still boiling. I let it boil for a long time. I already added everything, so what you gotta do is cut up the potatoes, distribute it throughout the pot, like add half of your potatoes, then add the sugar. I use both brown sugar and white sugar, and then I add the rest of the potatoes in the pot, and then I add more sugar, and then I put butter, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a tablespoon of vanilla. So now I'm just gonna have it like boil probably throughout the whole time that the ribs is cooking until I see like it's getting thick. So it is getting a little bit thicker, but I added too much water, which you don't even really need to add water because sweet potatoes make their own water. But that was my mistake. So gonna start with the ribs, then I'm gonna clean up, and then me and Sienna need to just look better for Christmas and just show y'all how we get down. Look at my ribs, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna like put it back in the oven for another like 10 minutes or so. Actually, maybe like 5 minutes. And then I'm gonna broil it for another 5 minutes. So hopefully these come out good. And well, hopefully they taste good. So they look good. Let's see if they taste good. Back to the sweet potatoes. As you can see, they thickened. That is just sugar, so don't even try to come for me. The rice is done. I think for vegetables, I'm just gonna do broccoli or so. But yes, this is it. Hey guys, so this is the dress that Bae said I should wear. I got this dress from Zara too. Makes me look kind of boxy, but I don't really care. It's kind of like the vibe I was going for, like the cluelessy, boxy, like kind of vibe. Don't look at my feet, but hey, Bae is in the shower. So we're actually going to open our presents and drink some wine, have some dinner. As you guys saw, you know, the food that I made for tonight. We eating good. But anyway, you know, one more look at the tree, guys. I love my tree this year again. But yeah, we're just gonna eat some good food, drink some wine, and probably just watch our favorite shows and movies tonight, and just, you know, watch the little one enjoy her toys. So I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Happy holidays to everyone. Happy holidays to you and your family, or just to you yourself if you're spending the holidays alone. Just thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you guys can keep supporting me, showing me love. Also, don't forget to press the notification bell so you guys know when I upload, and you know, see this pretty looking face. But thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you in the next video.